So listen, I'm a sucker for anything with scallion. I'm also a sucker for anything with butter. And when you put the two together, that's where the inspiration for today's recipe came from. This scallion butter is amazing on just about anything, but today, a piece of simply broiled fish and my lemon pepper green beans, and you are going to be in complete heaven. And of course, everything we do, you know, it's gotta be simple, delicious, really, really easy, and just good food. So let's get started, all right? So in my food processor is what we're gonna do today, all right? So I'm gonna start by loading up a couple of cloves of garlic right into the food processor. Then I've got some scallions that are already washed and cleaned. So I'm just gonna take like 2 scallions, and they are gonna go in the food processor, but I'm just gonna cut them down a little bit to just help the process out. Right down to the white meat, right into the food processor. All right, and let's give this a go first before we add the rest of our ingredients. We'll scrape the side down. Now, let's keep going. I've got some butter. You can use whatever kind you like. I just happen to be partial to this brand of vegan butter. I love this. So I'm gonna put the vegan butter right in there. And we gotta season this up with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper as well. That's it, right? Really simple. Garlic, scallion, butter, salt. There's a little pink Himalayan sea salt going on in there. And then some black pepper. All right, we'll give this a go. All right, and then look at what we have. We have a lovely scallion butter that I'm just gonna put in a bowl to make it a little easier to work with. All right, scallion butter is done and ready to go. Got a cast iron skillet, and I got a couple pieces of fish. This is salmon I'm working with today. So the idea is just to pat the salmon nice and dry with paper towels, just to get rid of a lot of the excess moisture. If we've done this properly, what's gonna happen is that we're gonna add the butter right on top of the fish, and it's gonna stick and everything's gonna be lovely. So let's see what we have. This is that scallion butter. Look at this. And that's why we put all that salt and pepper and all the seasoning in there, so we can really make sure it gets down in there good. All right, I am the king of flavor, and you gotta eat all sides of this fish, so we're gonna make sure all sides are seasoned well. So I'm just gonna put some scallion butter right on the bottom of this skillet. That way our fish has something to lay on that's got some flavor in it, okay? All right, here we go. We'll pick the fish up. We'll put the fish right in here. All right, oven is preheated to broil. We're gonna broil this fish, right? So it's gonna cook up really quickly in no time. 550 degrees, all right? Let's go with this lovely fish. All right, so while the fish is doing its thing in the oven, look, I've got a bag of green beans. These are haricot vert, which are like the French style green beans. I'm just gonna put a couple of holes in the bag, right? And I'm gonna do something that you don't see me doing very often, and that's using the microwave. These will go in just for a couple of minutes to get them nice and tender and soft while we make this lovely sauce to put them in. All right, look at this. Perfectly steamed green beans. We'll set those on the side just for a second so that they can sort of cool off a little bit so we can handle them. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce, right? So the sauce is gonna start with a little bit of olive oil in a skillet. All right, and then with the olive oil, we're gonna add in a little bit of butter. All right, I've got a couple of cloves of whole garlic. I'm gonna just put right into here. This way, the garlic has a chance to permeate and add lots of great flavor. All right, let's season this with some salt and pepper. So here's a little bit of pepper. All right, and then here's some salt. All right, now I've got the zest of a lemon that's gonna go right in here. All right, then I'm gonna add in the juice of this same lemon right in here. All right, just a little bit of sugar. And now those green beans right in here. I'll give them a toss. And then I'm just gonna finish with a little bit more black pepper. All right, so I know I can smell our fish that's been broiling in this lovely scallion butter. Look at this. I mean, come on, look at that. Huh? Doesn't that look amazing? And then here are those lovely lemon pepper green beans with the garlic and the whole bit, ready to rock and roll. I'm just gonna make myself a little plate. I'm gonna get a couple of these green beans with this garlic situation happening. Love that, right? Then I'm just gonna get me a little piece of the fish with the lovely scallion butter. Look at that. Look how flaky and delicious that looks, huh? And then, of course, I just wanna go in for a little taste. Look at that, it's still smoking hot. Scallion butter. Who would ever thought of that? I'm so glad I did. The scallions have started to caramelize. That butter is nice and nutty and brown. It's a perfect way to go with this fish. This is delicious. And then I like the green beans with the lemon and the Listen, one bite of this, complete heaven. You have to give these recipes a try. You know exactly where they're going to be on my website. In case you didn't know, it's www.dariuscooks.tv. Listen, y'all, there are two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food. Until next time, I wanna wish you happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.